Global credit rating agencies have not only dealt Africa a bad hand, but also deliberately failed Africa. These are sentiments by President William Ruto while having a bilateral meeting with His Excellency the Prime Minister of Barbados, Mia Mottley, in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, at the 38th Extraordinary Summit of the Heads of States and Government. The leaders say that Africa credit rating will demystify and democratize sovereign credit assessment.
The result is that they paint a very unfair picture of our economies, and this has devastating effects because it leads to distorted ratings of what the situation really is. And it also leads to exaggerated risk of our countries and our continent. And obviously, that leads to very high borrowing costs.
As we deliberate on the roadmap for our African credit rating agency, let us be guided by a shared vision of an Africa that is economically empowered, financially sovereign, and globally respected.
Now,